Hi, how's it going? Today I'm going for a wee walk up Lochnagar here, taking in 5 Munros. We're starting at Callater farm and walking up to Callater lodge. We've got a cracking stalker's path here that just takes us right up to the bailiack that leads us up onto carn-an-t-sagairt 4. You can get nice views right up the glen here at Tolman. We're just walking past a part of the wreckage from an RAF Canberra jet crash in 1956. The summit is strewn with wrecked parts and can be clearly seen to visitors. Now we're on the summit here. We'll get a wee shot with the drone and try and put some aerial photographs into the video. Cheers. Now we'll just head across the broad ridge here. There's a second cairn up here. We head off that down southeast, big broad ridge. We're aiming for cairn-bannoch. Last time I was over here it was difficult to see anything due to the rain and the low cloud. So it's nice to be able to enjoy the views. Now we're on the summit of cairn-bannoch. We've got a chance to look around us again. You can see right across the glen over at Lochnagar. And now we go along another section of the broad ridge. This is called the White Mount circuit, and we're aiming for the last Munro on this side, which is called broad-cairn. Now we just basically return back to carn-a-choire-b 4 and then we'll just go right there and head across to Lochnagar. Take another wee chance to send the drone up here and have a quick look back over the top of carn-a-choire-b 4. Then I'll maybe send it down into the glen there and see the dark loch. Now we're on the summit of carn-a-choire-bhoidheach. Let's have a wee look with the drone and see how things are round about here. And now we're approaching the summit of Lochnagar. Beautiful cliffs, lovely loch, and excellent views today, in between the rain showers I have to say. And bang on cue, here comes the rain. Time to get off this ridge now and head all the way back down to Loch Callater. Seen this gate the last time I was up here, and I asked myself the same question. What's it still doing here? Mental. And now we're safely back down in the glen. Thanks for watching. Catch up with you the next time. Cheers.